Good afternoon, guys. Today I'm going to talk about Chelsea versus Leicester City match, which will be played Saturday, 27th of August around 3 p.m. Uh, so the question, the interesting point after this start, Chelsea has lost against Leeds United last week. We know that it was 3-0, and Leicester City is also performance not very. So, and also it is the news that the Chelsea and uh, Leicester City has agreed about their defender will be Fofana will be moving to Chelsea during the season. So, and it is also a point to be noted that we have Chelsea has not lost uh, two game in a row under the supervision of Thomas Tuchel away playing away from Stamford Bridge. So, and we have already lost a 3-0 game last week. Provided that Leicester City is not at their best, so we can expect a game in favor of Chelsea. Nevertheless, it won't be a one-sided game or anything which we can expect. Uh, and we will see what the final outcome will be. Chelsea is currently mostly relying heavily on Raheem Sterling and his performance and his ability to score goal at the top order, and also similarly, Leicester City they are relying on James Middleton. James has scored in each of their game against Brentford, Arsenal, and Southampton. So we know that he can score goals. He can be dangerous person for any opposition, and also we are better known the witness about how dangerous Raheem Sterling is. So it will be a battle, but if we can say that Leicester City has conceded 8 goals in the last 3 matches, which is not very convincing, and their record is also not very impressive. As I said before, uh, this is Premier League. We cannot write off any team, or we cannot say this team is playing to lose. It will not be fair to say. But having said that, we can say that at the moment we can expect at the end of a 90-minute game, we can expect a Chelsea leaving the pitch as a winner of the match. And the score, uh, I I can make my prediction, but still I urge you this is not to rely on if you are going to bet or anything. But I can say 2-1 or that could be 3-1 for in favor of Chelsea. So what will happen in the pitch? What will happen in the ground? That will be the matter of when the match will finish. At the moment, all I can say is Chelsea is the favorite for this match, and we and also having said that, we cannot write off Leicester City underdogs. They are going as underdogs, but they have a tendency to upset and win matches against any team. So, having said that, I would conclude my video for this one that play safe and make sure if you are planning to bet, think before it. And for this video's prediction, I can say goodbye, and I hope to see everybody in the next video.